Branching strategy. What branching strategy you are following in your project? This is what I have been asked in one of my interview. So for there you need to explain what all branches in your project you are following. So I will tell what I answered them. I told we have 5 branches. One is main branch, then release, then develop, feature and hotfix. These 5 branches we are following. And now what all these are actually doing? We can have one branch and everything can go right, but no, it's not like that. In main branch we will have our stable code, whatever would be from dev to prod, okay? And then in the release branch it is used to deploy the code till the pre-prod, as well as prod code is there. Then we develop branch is used to deploy the code in lower environment, that is dev. And what actually the use of feature branch? Feature branch is used when you have to implement any new feature, and also it help more than one developer to work on a particular interface. Suppose someone is changing the color of the button and someone is creating a new button for the same interface. So they can work independently, they don't need to depend on each other's tasks. So one by one they can complete, they can do end-to-end testing, and they can merge their changes to the main branch. So feature branch is basically used for that purpose only, so that developers can work independently without impacting others' work, and they can raise PR and merge their changes to main branch after doing their end-to-end testing. Then what is hotfix branch? When we have a branch to push and deploy the code in dev environment, pre-prod, prod, and also to implement a new changes, then why we actually need the hotfix branch? What is the use of hotfix branch? Okay, so what I told them, hotfix branch is used to resolve the defect that has been raised in production environment. Suppose everything works good till your dev and pre-prod, but it got failed or some defect has been raised in production environment, then again you can't go back to all these things. So there we will use a hotfix branch where we will fix our defect and do the testing, and then we will raise a PR and we will merge our changes to the main branch or master branch. So that is the use of hotfix branch. So in short we can say feature branch is used to implement new changes, develop branch is used to do end-to-end testing and deploy the changes to dev environment, release branch is used to deploy the code in pre-prod, main branch is used to deploy the code in prod, and hotfix is used to fix the changes, fix the defect which has been raised in production environment.